Tihei uriri, tihei napo, whakatauha. Whakatauha te rangi tui honei, whakatauha. Whakatauha te marae takoto, whakatauha. Whakatauha te mātuku mai rarotonga. Ko iau rukuhia mana wapau roto. Ko iau rukuhia mana wapau waho. Whakatina kia tina. Te mure roai, upu ana hoki. Tārewa tū ki te rangi. Au e kia eke. Eke tangaroa. Eke panuku. Whano, haramai te toki. Haumi e, hui e, taiti. Ai te tama. Kia koe pā. Ko wehi atu i te pō. Anei rā tō iwi, tō whānau, i tangi nei mōi. Kai te heke ngā roi mata, te hupe, kai rungu i a koe. I pōkai kaha ki te kōrero, ko koe tēnei, i whakamānu ki runga waka o aitua. I ngā wai whakarua, whakangaro ki te whakaoti atu. Moi mai rā, moi mai rā, moi mai rā. Kia koutou te whānau pani, i tangi ana, i te huaranga tira, kia koe egi, ngui o kōrua tamariki, i tēnei wā taumaha, ki te pauritanga, i tēnei maumau mate, ko wehi atu i te pō. I ngā matua, ko haere ki tō tana ki te taho o te atua. Engari, mā te atua he mana. Kia ora to the whānau. Firstly, just standing here representing the Petone Rugby Football Club. I have two hats, also representing Naenae College. That was my first encounter with BAH. My wife was the rugby administrator here at the school in 2008. And our first child had started here at the college. I was working on a Saturday morning at home, and my wife pulled up with the school van and says to me, "Oh, could you do me a favour?" So what's that? She goes, I'm in a bit of a dilemma. We have a team at the college. Their coach is in hospital. They need someone today to give them a hand. I reluctantly agreed. So when the side got changed, jumped in the school van, there was probably about half a dozen boys in there. The rest had caught a train and a bus out to Scots College. So for those who know Scots College, it's a totally different contrast to Naenae College. So we were out there, I didn't know anybody in the team. I walked into the changing room with the bag of jerseys and dropped it on the floor. And like all our Pacific brothers and our Māori boys, they rushed in to get the best jersey. So I kicked their hands and said, sit down. I had to introduce myself. And while we were on our way into town, my wife informed me on the form of the team. And at that point, BAH's team was under a caution. They were one of those teams that like to go out there, instead of playing rugby, they practice their boxing skills. And so, yeah, I was sort of thrown in the mix there. However, from that encounter, I just said to the boys, today's rules for today, no swearing, no fighting. If you do either, you will get changed back into your uniform and go home. if you don't have the money to catch a bus or a train, it's going to be a long walk. So out of that, they actually did well and won the game. I think it was about 35-5. And that team at Scots College, these boys, when they played them in the first round, and Scots College gave them a hiding here at Naenae. So we returned the favour. The coach of the Scots College team came up to me after the game and he says to me, we were wondering when these guys were actually going to turn up and start to play rugby. And we didn't like it because they made that decision today. So, however, during the game, Bar wanted to play on the wing. I didn't know. I just met him and he had these little braids. So it looked like to me he was quite proud of the way he looked in his appearance. And when the ball wasn't on his side of the field, he'd be running around just checking his shadow to see if it looked all right. And listening to the accolades for Bar in terms of his personality, he had an awesome sense of humour, always had a smile, and just had a real relaxed attitude. And that's what I always remember about him. I'll give honour and praise to the Lord, not that he's taken our brother away, but he gave us the opportunity by putting him with us right from day one when Bar was born. It's just unfortunate that his journey has stopped short. But it was been an honour and a privilege to know him. And even honour for us as a club, rugby club. So just on that note of thanking our Lord, we give honour and glory to him. We will sing a song that represents that. If you guys know, join in. He honoured.
On behalf of our Petone Rugby Club, and the boys as well, sorry, we'd just like to say we love you, Ba. Rest easy. And yeah, sorry, I'm not much of a talker.